Are you looking for a job, but tired of manually searching every day? What if I told you LinkedIn can do the work for you? By setting up job alerts, you'll get notified about new opportunities that match your skills without lifting a finger. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to do it and why it's a must-have for your job search. Now, let's go to your LinkedIn, and on the bottom right corner, you will see the jobs. Click that and go to the search job to type the job position that you're looking for. Don't forget to add location, and if you want, you can also add remote. And on the bottom, you will see get job alerts for this search. Make sure that it is turned on. Now, go back and click the jobs icon again. And on the upper left corner, you will see preferences. Find job alerts. And here you will see all the different positions that you've recently turned on the job alerts. Now, if you want to tweak your preferences on the job alerts on these specific positions, you can go and click the pencil icon. And here you will have different choices. For your alert frequency, it depends on how often do you want to receive these alerts. It's either daily or weekly. And you can also choose the notification type. We have email and notification, email only, and notification only. In my case, I want to choose email and notification so that I will receive a job alert in my email and in LinkedIn as well. Make sure to turn on notified of similar jobs. This will automatically send you job opportunities that match your search criteria. Applying early can increase your chances of getting noticed. Many recruiters fill positions fast, so getting alerts as soon as jobs are posted gives you an edge over the competition. And that's it. Setting up job alerts is a small step that can make a big difference in your job search. If you found this helpful, give this video a like, share it with someone who's job hunting, and if you've got any LinkedIn job search tips, drop them in the comments, and see you in the next one.